this is the app when you open it up, and basically it shows the clip positions of each of the balls, and there's a map of the lawn, of course. Now, to move a ball, you click on its main icon, and then you just place it. So there's no dragging, and that's because the dragging is reserved for the lawn. So that's basically moving the lawn around and zooming in and out of the lawn is done with the normal sort of iPad, iPhone controls. Actually, when you zoom in quite close, what you'll see is that you get finer and finer grid lines. So these are now yard interval grid lines, whereas these ones here are 7-yard interval grid lines. So to move the balls around, it's quite quick, because with your thumb you can click on the main selecting. It highlights the ball and then you place it. So you've actually remember you've got a thumb and a finger, or finger on 2 different hands, and so that makes the ball placing very, very fast. It also means that if you're zoomed in on a particular hoop, say we're zoomed in here, and you want to quickly place the yellow to the other side, you don't have to go off and find it, you just select it and place it. Now, in order to do the scores, you click on this menu here, click on this box, and now you're in score mode. And in score mode, whatever color background you've got, you'll be able to either increase, or on odd occasions when you make a mistake, decrease the clip positions. So at the moment all the hoops are on, the balls are on hoop 1. We've got the blue selected. Every time we click this, we'll increment up a clip position. If we do the same with the red, you can see now that this has all become red. Very easy to see what's going on, and we'll take that one through to 3 back. The black ball we'll take through to rover, and we'll take the yellow ball through to the box. Now, if we made a mistake here and we realized that in fact black wasn't a rover ball, easy to select it and click minus. It's on penultimate. This little icon here shows us how long we've been going since we have pushed the data to the database. So if I click on here, it's now sent this position, whatever it was, to the database, and has restarted the clock. So that helps keep the person that's monitoring the lawn aware of how long it's been since they last did an update. The other functions on here, at any stage you can click on this icon just to reset the view of the lawn. You can turn the grid lines on and off, and you can make some notes about the match that we're covering. This is useful for us at the commentary end, because the person might have typed in that this is lawn 1 Death versus Fletcher, whatever, and then they, that basically means that we know what's coming through to us. And in the commentary box, we can access any position that's been saved, and of course, this more dynamic update of the scores here is available to us at all times. Well, whenever they press this button over here. So that's where we are with the app. The nice thing about this, of course, is that once it is an app on people's phones, you could be at the local club with the phone in the pocket, and you just want to record this particular position, and very, very easy for you to whip your phone out and do that. And so that's hopefully going to be something that is, because of the portability and the opportunistic nature of being able to use your phone in the field, hopefully this might prove to be quite a good thing. And of course, once the position has been recorded, it can go into the online simulator, so you could actually then load it into there and give it a more sophisticated analytical treatment. The problems that I've got are that in order to distribute this, it means I've got to become an Apple developer, which is a little bit expensive, but something that I probably should do. And the other thing is that I haven't thought about yet how I would make it so that the person could record two lawns or four games at a time. That's going to be a problem because we're not going to have a volunteer for each game. Anyway, that's where we are, and we'll I'll continue to play around with this, but we do have that good fallback position of the Google Sheets anyway.